In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable CDN in Hostinger step by step. If you want your website to load faster, improve performance for international visitors, and boost overall user experience, turning on the CDN inside Hostinger's hPanel is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. The best part is that it only takes a few minutes to set up. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical hosting tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to the Hostinger website, then access your hPanel dashboard. Once you're inside hPanel, look for the Websites section. Click on Websites to see a list of all the domains and sites connected to your hosting account. This is where you manage everything related to your individual websites. Next, find the website where you want to enable the CDN. You'll see a Manage button next to it. Go ahead and click on Manage. This will open the control panel specifically for that website, where you can configure performance settings, security options, domains, and other important features. Now that you're inside the website management area, look at the left-hand menu and find the Performance section. Click on Performance, and inside that area, you'll see an option labeled CDN. Go ahead and click on CDN. This is where Hostinger allows you to enable its built-in content delivery network. If CDN is not yet active, you'll see an option that says Enable CDN. Click on the Enable CDN button to begin the setup process. Hostinger will then ask you to confirm the domain name that you want to activate the CDN for. Double-check that the correct domain is selected, especially if you manage multiple websites in the same account. After confirming the domain, click on Activate or Enable to proceed. At this point, Hostinger will start configuring the CDN for your website. What this does is distribute your website's static content, such as images, CSS files, and JavaScript, across multiple global servers. So instead of your visitors loading everything from a single server location, the content will be delivered from the server closest to them geographically. This significantly reduces loading times and improves overall site speed. Once you click Activate, you'll need to wait a few minutes for the CDN setup to complete. In most cases, activation only takes a short time, but it can vary depending on DNS propagation and server configuration. There's nothing else you need to configure in most situations. Hostinger automatically handles the technical setup in the background. After activation is complete, your CDN status should show as active inside the Performance and CDN section. At this point, your website is officially using Hostinger CDN. You can test your site speed using tools like GTmetrix or Google PageSpeed Insights to see the improvement. Many users notice better loading times, especially for visitors accessing the site from different countries. And that's it. You've successfully enabled CDN in Hostinger. As a quick recap, log into hPanel, go to Websites, click Manage next to your site, navigate to Performance, open the CDN section, click Enable CDN, confirm your domain, and activate it. Then just wait a few minutes for everything to go live. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger and website optimization tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.